Hello everyone, welcome back. And today I'm going to be showing you how to make coconut bun. Coconut buns can be purchased at most West Indian bakeries and they are a great snack and are delicious with mobby or any cold beverage or even some hot tea. And I will leave all the details in the description box below. Now, coconut buns are enriched with coconuts and custard powder, which gives a great flavor to the bun and also a beautiful yellow color. Guys, and kindly please try this. You would not regret. It can also be used as a dessert. Now let's get started. Here I have some butter and sugar, some flour, baking soda, grated nutmeg, and some salt. I also have some cherries and raisins. I did cut the cherries up into small pieces. Some grated coconut. Also, I have some custard powder, some essence, and some condensed milk or sweet milk as most of us would know it. So now I'm going to use the hand mixer and I'm going to mix the butter and sugar together, not until the sugar is dissolved, but until it's fluffy and nice. I'll now add the flour and mix it again until it resembles breadcrumb. Here I'm adding the baking soda, the salt, and the grated nutmeg. I'm also adding the coconut, the raisins, and the cherries, guys, and I love to see the combination of colors. I always get misled with colors. I love to see colors. Give it a good mix. At this time, this is what the mixture looks like. Here I'm adding the essence and condensed milk or sweet milk. And I'm not using any eggs or water into this mixture. Give it a good mix. Guys, this is a very rich coconut bun. The custard powder, the butter, and the milk. Oh yeah. At this time, my spatula could not have taken the pressure stirring this mixture, so I had to resort to my wooden spoon and mix until you get a fairly stiff consistency. Once you're done and you check your mixture like this, you know it's good as long as it doesn't stick to your finger. I also have a pan that I did grease, and while I'm filling this pan, I did set the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So I like to take a spoon and just give it a nice mark, just so that, well, it would be compact with a few little rough marks at the top. This is what it looks like. I set it aside to leave for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, the dough would have gotten a little more softer and fluffier. And now it's time to place it in the oven. After 12 minutes of baking, this is the color that you get. But I wanted a nice golden color, so I popped it back into the oven and baked for another 5 minutes. And after 5 minutes, this is what my finished rich coconut bun looks like, guys. This bun is to die for. It is so rich. It is good, guys. You can grab a glass of cold milk and get yourself a good snack. And if you like this video, kindly give it a thumbs up. Also press that subscribe button and notification bell so that you will be notified when I upload another video. Thank you for visiting.